very good, like you.
Ačiū.
Ačiū.
Neblogai sekėsi, einam. Man labai neblogai sekėsi, va čia paeinam į dešinę. Tau gal? Tokie rudi tavo ir plaukai. Labai fainai. Ką daryti, jeigu tu trauki mane, o mano draugas laukia?
Bet kaip aš nežinau.
O tai neperskaitė, nekas rašyta. Mane Maikis.
Savas?
Tai tik vienas.
Tai čia gal čia mane pakeistų?
Mano draugas. Tai va. Pasuk sesiai. Toli čia gyvena? Yeah. Yeah, I understand, yeah. So I will think about your situation and maybe, you know, I will have some thoughts what we could do in your situation.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll figure it out.
yeah, we'll see. So tomorrow I will write you and we will talk on WhatsApp. Yeah, we'll see.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay, thank you you too for your opening, honesty. Thank you. Until tomorrow. Bye. Rueda, ne, man atrodo, šaukam noro to. Po to jisai išvarė į Angliją ir dabar grįžo ir mes susitikom šiandien. You have everything in yourself. We just need to do a lot of practice. We just need to sit down in a car together, drive, approach women, get contact, go out on a date. You need to be on my lectures, learn a lot of, enjoy training, get success. Want that success, then you will get telephone number from a beautiful, like 9 or 10 of your taste, will boost your confidence. Want that success, then you will sleep with amazing girl, like 9 or 10, will shock your confidence, like will move like rockets to the sky.
So I will take Viber.
Aš jau tą pavėluosiu.
Kaip?
Aš jau tą pavėluosiu.
Pavėluos jautą?
Jo. Ir aš čiūvą turiu.
My friend, you know, sent me money from Turkey, you know, so here am I.
I think it's good.
You know, I use the university just for...
I like very different things too, so you can design to this.
design. I have...
Like, this is what you do now, this is what you don't do now. And if you know, just basically that. I think my confidence needs to go up. I feel as though my assertiveness needs to go up. I can carry on conversations with women, but I find it difficult.
And you need to put yourself in extreme situations. It's like new city, approaching new girls, AMT Bootcamp, new training in the gym, going to the gym, you know, putting yourself in extreme situations like approaching two girls, approaching group of girls, approaching girls with guys, approaching family like a mother and her daughter. Grow, constantly grow. And then, you know, you need also change your... And you will go to my products and will click on book and on DVD, pick up online. You will see like red play button, you will click, will be videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And the book. All right. Yeah.
It's like, okay, well, let's just walk around the mall, and then it's like, okay, well, this is like a girly store. I'm gonna go in and walk, you know. Well, what's in season right now? You don't know?
Your job. If you work your job like for 5 years, it's enough. You need to change a new job. You need to quit job, start work for yourself. If you work just in one country, you need to open a new country. A lot of people, also our clients, they live for 2 months in one city, in one country, and then they move to another country and they live for 2 months. So they sell house, car, everything what they have. They put their money on bank account.
I said, like, I like that you feel like you know some fashion.
Yeah.
And then you want to pick a dress. And then so we kind of talk, and then she said, oh, I'm looking for graduation. I was like, oh, from college? She said, no, from high school, so she's only 17. I was like,
Соня? Мне надо идти, мой друзьями. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Oh, cool. I thought that
Which you will invest on day game, it will turn to girlfriend. It will give you more value back. So that's why I love day game. Night game is good for having fun after a full week of work. You go for relax. You go to dance. You go do same night lay. That's good. And they travel. They travel from one country to another, and we live, for example, in Europe, they live in US, they live in South America, South Africa, and we travel, so we never get bored. We always energized, we always motivated, we always, you know, want to achieve, we always feel really good, we are not died inside. So wake up and go forward. If you, for example, you approach, you're not confident, you know, your style is not good, your value, you can't show your value, she puts you to friend, or fourth category is nothing, you know, just she rejects you. So all
Maybe my phone. This
is my friend, you know, and we like talk to you. And you know, also you could make me videos with your phone, like in Boston, you know, where is that bowling, where is your apartment, streets, you know, where you gonna pull here, like logistics videos, you know, for me.
I see. So you mean like kind of scope out the area beforehand?
Yeah.
Get an idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, you know, you're gonna send me, you know, our Google Docs. You don't wanna give. So you will never achieve, because why, like,
our clients, they succeed because, you know, dancing, you know, healthy lifestyle, you know, they just care themselves, they approach in a normal way. That's why they approach from high vibrations, you know, from low vibrations more. So how to make that sexual turn, how to do that being, you know, not creepy, how to do that successfully.
Obviously, because I'm nervous, I don't pause, and that's a real. Obviously, I have to do that. Pause and slow down. You know, I started joking. Did you make it, or did you? I said to her, did you dig it up? You know.
I got you all figured out. You need everyone's eyes just to feel seen behind your makeup. Nobody knows who you really are. Who do you think that you are?
First level is amateur, a guy who didn't approach any girl, who just found pickup, you know. So what do? You read my book, How to Become an Alpha Man. You watch pickup online training courses, and you watch how to dance with a woman. And then you start to approach 10 to 15 girls each day. You just go and approach, just talk. The key is to make you comfortable being around women. Once you will reach 10,000 girls and you will lay 5 different girls, you will go to advanced level. And on advanced level, what do? You watch from approach to sex programs. From approach to sex in the gym, in the resort, and the 5 different girls. And then you reach the level when you approach another 10,000 girls and you lay 10 different girls. So now you have 15 different girls which you laid. And it's like you feel you can do, like, you see a girl and you can fuck her in 1 hour, you know, or in 2 hours.
Yeah.
That's the level of from approach to sex after advanced level. And when you can do with one woman, you go to more bigger level, is social ninjas level, when you can do with group of people that. For example, you see a girl but she's with her friend. Like first this level, look, it's like one girl walking. From approach to sex in 1 hour and 30 minutes. This level. Once you reach this level, this is a different level. You know, we used to like when you're beginner, amateur, or you advanced, you collect numbers, you go to dates, and then you label them. From approach to sex level is when you see a girl and she can be by herself or with other people, and you approach and fuck her in 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then social ninjas level, when you see a girl and she's with
female friend and you just alone, or she's with a guy, or she's with two females, or with two guys, and you can approach, destroy those guys, and take that female and seduce her in 1 hour and 30.
Yeah.
This is more than FBI level. We call it. Society doesn't know those techniques. That's why we put very high prices and we protect that knowledge.
And
Just imagine what will happen if society will start to know about those techniques. And this is the product, same day bang DVD. It's like one of that product. And then you will learn our things on Alphamantraining Bootcamps, working with me.
I think the best feeling is when you reach that master level and anyone from outside don't understand what to do.
Exactly. Do you understand what FBI agents are doing? KGB agents in Russia? Do you understand? No, there's no information like this. So this is the same just you do with girls. This you do with girls.
Okay.
So tell me on what level you are?
I think I'm intermediate or something.
Intermediate level.
Yeah, not advanced still.
How many girls you approached and how many girls you fucked?
I didn't count exactly, but in some stations more, in some stations less. But
So
about,
what exact number? 10,000, 11,000?
I think 50,000.
50,000?
15.
15,000. Yeah, okay,
something like that.
15,000, 15 and 000.
Yes, and 6 girls got late.
Yeah, you got laid at 6.
But you know, I could say that after this England, which I came now, I feel more stressed. So I need to come back to that,
Level, yeah.
level again. Approach more girls.
Makes sense.